Sa araw na ito, ay nais ko po sa inyong i-share ang top 100 essential medical terms. Kung may nais po kayo palabas sa tahanang ito, ay pwede po kayo mag-comment down below. At kung may nais naman po ng shoutout, ay pwede rin din po mag-comment down below. At i-shoutout po natin po sa mga susunod po mga palabas. So, heto na, sisimulan na po natin ang mga essential medical terms. So, hope you enjoy, guys!
A few moments later.
Number 1, amnesia, loss of memory. Number 2, analgesia, loss of ability to feel pain while still conscious. Number 3, analgesic, a drug that relieves pain. Number 4, anemia, lack of red corpuscles or of their hemoglobin in blood, deficiency, or low condition of the blood. Number 5, anemic, suffering from anemia, pale and weak in color. Number 6, anesthesia, insensibility to pain induced by certain drugs, loss of sensation. Number 7, anorexia, loss of appetite for food. Number 8, anorexia nervosa, a psychological condition causing chronic absence of appetite for food. Number 9, aphasia, partial or total loss of speech, loss of understanding of language, and resulting from brain damage. Number 10, appendectomy, surgical removal of appendix of the intestine. Number 11, appendix, a small blind tube of tissue attached to the intestine. Number 12, arteriosclerosis, a condition in which the walls of the arteries become thicker and less elastic so that blood circulation is hindered. Number 13, arthritis, a condition causing inflammation, pain, and stiffness in the joints. Number 14, asthma, a chronic, usually allergic condition causing difficulty in breathing. Number 15, astigmatism, a defect in an eye or lens preventing proper focusing. Number 16, catalepsy, a condition in which a person becomes rigid and unconscious, a sudden suspension of voluntary sensation. Number 17, cataract, a condition in which the lens of the eye becomes cloudy and obscures sight or impairs vision. Number 18, catarrh, inflammation of the mucous membrane, especially of the nose and throat, accompanied by a watery discharge. Number 19, cholera, an infection and often fatal disease causing severe diarrhea. Number 20, cirrhosis, a disease of the liver in which that organ degenerates and assumes a granular yellow appearance due to bile. Number 21, diabetes, a disease in which sugar and starch are not properly absorbed by the body. Number 22, diarrhea, a condition in which bowel movements are very frequent and loose. Number 23 is dyslexia, abnormal difficulty in reading and spelling caused by a brain condition. Number 24 is dyspepsia, indigestion. Number 25, encephalitis, inflammation of the brain. Number 26, enteritis, inflammation of the intestines. Number 27, enuresis, also known as bedwetting and involuntary discharge of urine. Number 28, epidemic, an outbreak of a disease, etc. spreading rapidly through a community. Number 29, epilepsy, a disorder of the nervous system causing mild or severe convulsions, sometimes with loss of consciousness. Number 30, episiotomy, a cut made at the opening of the vagina during childbirth to facilitate delivery of the baby. Number 31, erythema, superficial redness of the skin in patches. Number 32, gastritis, inflammation of the stomach. Number 33, gastroenteritis, inflammation of the stomach and intestines. Number 34, gonorrhea, a venereal disease causing a thick discharge from the sexual organs. Number 35, hemialgia, pain in one side of the body or head. Number 36, hematopovia, fear of the sight of blood. Number 37, hemorrhage, bleeding from the lungs, arteries, veins, etc. Hepatitis, inflammation of the liver. Number 39, herpes, a virus disease causing blisters on the skin. Number 40, hypertension, abnormally high blood pressure. Number 41, hysteria, wild uncontrollable emotion or excitement. Number 42, inoculation. The introduction of a virus into the system in order to create a mild form of disease with the object of rendering the person treated immune to that disease in the future. Number 43 is jaundice, a disease characterized by yellowness of the eyeballs, skin, etc. caused by biliary derangement, hence a sort state of mind caused by jealousy, envy, etc. Number 44, kyphosis, an abnormal curvature of the spine, convex backward as in humpback or hunchback. Number 45 is laryngitis, inflammation of the larynx. Number 46 is leprosy, an infectious disease affecting skin and nerves resulting in mutilations and deformities. Number 47 is leukemia, commonly known as cancer of the blood, a disease in which the white corpuscles multiply uncontrollably in the body tissues and usually in the blood. Number 48 is lumbago, rheumatic pain in the muscles of the lower back. Number 49 is mastoiditis, inflammation of the mastoid, part of a bone behind the ear. Number 50 is melanoma, malignant skin tumor containing dark pigment. Number 51 is meningitis, inflammation of the meninges, the membranes that enclose the brain and spinal cord. Number 52 is menopause, the time of life during which a woman finally ceases to menstruate. Number 52 is migraine, recurrent throbbing headache often with nausea and visual disturbance. Number 54 is myelitis, inflammation of the spinal cord. Number 55 is nephritis, inflammation of the kidneys. Number 56 is neuritis, inflammation of nerves. Number 57 is nyctophobia, fear of the night or of darkness. Number 58 is onychitis, inflammation at the root or side of a nail. Number 58 is onychophagy, the practice or habit of biting or gnawing the fingernails. Number 60, ophthalmia, inflammation of the eye or eyeball. Number 61, ophthalmopathy, any disease of the eyes. Number 62, ophthalmoplasty, plastic surgery of the eyes. Number 63, osteitis, inflammation of a bone. Number 64, osteosarcoma, softening of the bones, a bone tumor. Number 65, osteomyelitis, inflammation of both bone and marrow. Number 66, otitis, inflammation of the ear. Number 67, palatitis, inflammation of the palate. Number 68 is paratrichosis, an abnormal growth of hair. Number 69 is photophobia, fear of disease. Number 70 is periarteritis, inflammation of the tissues around an artery. Number 71 is pericarditis, inflammation of the pericardium. Number 72 is pericardium, the membrane that surrounds the heart. Number 73 is periostitis, inflammation of the periosteum. Number 74 is periosteum, the vascular nervous membrane which covers the bones. Number 75 is pharyngitis, inflammation of the pharynx. Number 76 is pharynx, the muscular or membranous sac at the upper part of the esophagus. Number 77 is phlebitis, inflammation of a vein. Number 78 is phytosis, any disease caused by vegetable parasites. Number 79 is pneumonia, acute inflammation of the lungs. Number 80 is sinusitis, a falling out of hair attended by anemia and emaciation, common in hot countries. Number 81 is quinsy, inflammation of the tonsils of the throat. Number 82 is rheumatism, a painful disease of the muscles and joints, accompanied by swelling and stiffness. Number 83 is rhinitis, inflammation of the mucous membrane of the nostrils. Number 84 is rickets, a disease affecting children characterized by softness and curvature of the bones due to the absence of lime. Number 85 is scoliosis, curvature of the spine to the side so the spine looks like an S. Number 86, sinusitis, inflammation of sinuses in the skull. Number 87 is stomatitis, inflammation of the mouth. Number 88 is Hematopovia, any disease of the mouth. Number 89 is stomatoplasty, plastic surgery of the mouth. Number 90 is Gonorrhea, hemorrhage from the mouth. Number 91, psychosis, an inflammatory disease of the hair follicles characterized by pustules and local eruptions. Number 92 is tonsillitis, inflammation of the tonsils. Number 93 is tracheitis, inflammation of the trachea or windpipe. Number 94 is triskaidekaphobia, fear of the number 13. Number 95 is urodinia, painful discharge of urine. Number 96 is vaginitis, inflammation of the vagina or of genital canal. Number 97 is vagitus, the cry of a newborn infant. Number 98 is xanthoma, a skin disease characterized by irregular yellow patches, especially on the eyelids. Number 99 is xeroderma, a disease of the skin characterized by dryness. And last is 100, zoanthropy, a kind of mania in which the patient believes himself to be transformed into an animal.
A few moments later.
Salamat po ng napakarami po sa inyo pong panonood. Kung inyo po ito pong nagustuhan, ay maaari po natin po itong share sa ating mga friends. Hanggang sa muli po, goodbye po!
Yeah.